Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to repost other people's videos on TikTok. First thing first, you want to launch the TikTok app. Let's find a video that you probably like. Let's say you like this video from Alex Hermosi and you enjoy sharing it and reposting on your own page, right? You click on the share small arrow underneath the actual comment section. You click the share button and the first image that you will see, the yellow one, the yellow icon on the left, it says repost. You want to click repost and you will be able actually to add comment. When you actually add comment, your followers will simply see that you reposted this, but this will not simply appear on your own page. This will not appear as your usual content that you publish, okay? If you made a mistake, right? Let's say you did not want to publish this video. If you did not want to share this video, to repost this video, right? Let me show you how you can go about this. You have to click the same exact process step by step. You have to click the arrow and you have to click on the same button on the left. This time around it says remove repost instead of repost. Remember this very, very well. It's very interesting because when you actually repost content from others, this will simply indicate that it's repost, that is not your content, but will still appear on the people who are following you. For example, you have a bunch of people following you. They will see this video from Alex Hermosi. They might not follow Alex Hermosi, but they will see that you're the one sharing this video. This is why it's always interesting and it's a good idea to add your own caption and point of views and what you're actually trying to highlight in this video. So your followers will be aware and will have easy time understanding what they should listen or what they should actually pay attention to. For more videos like this, guys, subscribe and come back for more.